Today, let's unlock 7 ancient secrets of manifestation that will help you manifest anything you desire. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And today we are talking about ancient secrets. Now, there are a number of ancient secrets that work their way through various mystery traditions, and some are similar to others. But what I've done is I've culled the most important ones together, and I've codified them into 7 ancient secrets. If you learn these secrets, you'll understand the basis of the Emerald Tablet of Hermes, and you'll understand the basis of how to manifest what you deeply desire. The career you desire, how about that? Boosting that career up. These secrets will help you. Hey, how about your relationship? These secrets will help you. So we're going to share all of these secrets, all 7 today, and pay very close attention. These secrets are a little bit esoteric, but I've made them as simple as possible so you can apply them right now. You know, I'm not just about talking philosophy. There are a number of philosophers on YouTube. I'm about giving you practical tools to empower your life using the ancient mysteries and modern science. So let's get into these 7 ancient secrets that will help you manifest just about anything you desire. And of course, it's important that you write them down. I really believe that, because as you understand them and meditate on them and study them, they're going to become part of who you are. So secret number 1, likes attract likes. I know you've heard that before. It's pretty simple. It really comes from the ancient Hermetic teachings. Likes attract likes. That means that if you want to attract a certain career, you have to be at that energy of that career. If you want to attract a certain level of performance in sports, you have to be at that vibration, at that level. The same thing with a relationship or a business. Likes attract likes. All too often, most of the people that contact me are in a state of want. I want to be like that. I want to have that. I want that in my life, but they are not working or focusing on becoming what they desire. What you are is what you will attract. Isn't it interesting that people with college educations tend to marry people with college educations? People with money tend to marry people with money. People who have money tend to associate with people who have money. People who are vibrant and athletic and healthy tend to associate with people who are vibrant, athletic, and healthy. Birds of a feather flock together. Likes attract likes. So I think it's important to decide what your goals are, what your intentions are. What is it that you desire to manifest in your life? And then ask yourself this important question. What do I need to become? What do I need to be internally, inside, in order to manifest the life I desire on the outside? The second ancient secret of manifestation is it's a belief. It's a knowingness that your mind has unlimited abilities, unlimited power to manifest anything you desire. I mean anything. Don't put any limits on it. You see, if you put a limit on something, if you say, well, you can manifest almost anything you desire. Well, that's a limit. But think about this just for a moment. Follow me on this. Your mind is a reflection of universal mind, infinite mind, God mind. It is a reflection of it. Now, that doesn't mean it's as powerful as universal mind, but it reflects it. And so your ability to use God force energies in your life to manifest the life you desire depends on the thoughts that you think and the connection you have to universal mind. Oh, that's very important. What are you doing on a daily basis to increase your connection to universal mind, to God force energies? Your mind has unlimited ability to manifest anything you desire, but it has to connect to the infinite, to the universe, to the infinite field of potential, or what the ancients oftentimes referred to as universal mind. Secret number 3 of the 7 ancient secrets of manifestation, and this is really important, is we attract what we are, not what we want. It kind of relates to secret number 1, likes attract likes, but it goes a little bit further and states we attract what we are. What are you today? And what can you be tomorrow? You see, when I think about great manifestors that I have worked with that have manifested tons of money, incredible relationships, they ask themselves one question: what must I become? What must I become? Now, I don't want you to laugh, but I had a friend many years ago, and he never trimmed his fingernails, and he never trimmed his toenails. And he says, well, they just break off. And I said to him, Mark, I said, listen to me. You state that you want a refined, loving woman in your life, but you are not becoming what you need to become in order to attract that kind of person into your life for love and passion and a relationship. And he says, well, I am what I am. Have you ever heard people say that? I am what Papa used to say that. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. No. Oh, I'm going to say it again. No. You are what you decide to become. You are always becoming. You see, the word I am in Hebrew, it really on an esoteric level doesn't mean I am. It means I am becoming. I am always evolving, changing ever, yet ever the same. So, who are you? You are who you say you are. You are who you decide to be. Okay, there's nothing phony about saying, I want to be in better shape. There's nothing phony about saying, I want a better education. I want to learn a foreign language. There's nothing phony at all about it. But people will say that. They'll get in your face and say, why are you trying to become somebody you're not? Why are you choosing to stay the same old... I won't say it. I can't say it. Oh yeah, I'm going to say it. The same old dump. You can do better. You can always do better. I can do better. We can all do better. We attract what we are, not what we want. High flyers, secret number 4 is the invisible world within you creates the outer world outside of you. Now, In various videos and podcasts, you've heard me talk about the microcosm, or the small universe within you, and the large universe outside of you. And the truth of the matter is that the universe within you creates, oh, did I just say that? I did. The universe outside of you. And most people are going to freak out that I just said that. But the universe that you have outside you is a product of the creation of the universe within you, not the other way around. I know you believe it's the other way around. And that's why you blame them, you blame her, you blame him, you blame those people, you blame everybody for your life, except looking at that inner world within you. Ask yourself, what kind of a world do I want to live in? What kind of a world do I want to exist in? How much prosperity do I choose to have in my life? How much abundance? How much love? How much health? How much vitality? And then look inside and ask yourself, is this what I'm thinking? Is this what I'm feeling? Is this who I am? If it is, it will manifest out here. But if it is not, or if there's some doubt or fear, something holding you back, old beliefs, anger, it won't manifest out here. That will manifest. You'll get more of what you don't want in the outer world. Secret number 5 is the world within is focused by thought. Now, the world within you, think about this, is created by your values. What do you value in life? Do you value time? Do you value money? Which one do you value most? Money or time? Do you value love? Do you value commitment? Do you value trust? You see, we have values, and from those values, we create beliefs. And our beliefs are translated into thoughts. Your thoughts act as a magnifying glass. You ever used a magnifying glass in the sun and created that little beam of light that started a fire or could catch something on fire? Well, it was kind of fun when you were a kid. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, your thoughts focus the world within you. So in other words, what you are thinking about, what you are feeling, your beliefs are all focused with your thoughts. Yeah. And that focus is what changes the outer world, because it begins to focus that same vibration, that same alignment back to you. And that's how you manifest. And that's how you manifest exactly what you desire. Show me someone who has mastery over their thoughts, and I'll show you someone who is leading a beautiful, perfect life. Show me someone who is always fighting with their thoughts, and I'll show you someone whose life is in chaos. So, high flyers, secret number 6, I think, is perhaps maybe the most important. And that is, do you have beliefs that are contrary? Let me give you an example. I was working with a woman who said, I have a belief that loyalty is extremely important, that trust is the core of a relationship. But the person she was in a relationship with was cheating on her on a regular basis. Now, she also had another belief that she loved this person. So now she had 2 conflicting beliefs. It is absolutely essential that you look for conflicting beliefs. Maybe you have a belief that money is good, and can help people, but you also have a belief that money is bad and rich people are nasty and they ought to be taxed more and locked up and they do bad things. Conflicting beliefs. So harmony within, harmony without. You cannot have these two conflicting beliefs and manifest much of anything of value. You have to come to a certainty. This is my inner belief. This is what I choose to invest in. This brings me peace. This brings me harmony. Harmony within, harmony outside. That's simple. High flyers, secret number 7 is, well, maybe it's the most important. I guess they're all important. But this is really important because if you don't have this belief, if this isn't a core belief, then none of the other secrets really matter all that much. The secret is this. Say it with me. I have the power to connect to universal life force, to universal mind, to source energy. And with that connection, I can manifest the life of my dreams. You have the power. Write it down below. I have the power. Write it down below. I have the power. You have the power not just to change your reality, you have the power to connect to universal power, to universal life force, to the infinite field of potential, to God Almighty. You have that power. You are a microcosm of the macrocosm. You can connect through the thoughts you think and the feelings you feel. And I urge you, each day, no matter what your exercises are, no matter what you are doing to empower your life, give yourself 5 minutes to just breathe and feel yourself connect to the universal life force, infinite power. You have that ability. And the deeper the connection to source, the easier it will be to flow that energy through your life and manifest the life of your deepest desires. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Be sure and click the bell icon, and you have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.